Ram 1500 5.7 liter Hemi. What we got done on this beautiful truck, something different. Factory converter there, why isn't a single? And got factory resonator there. They only came on the 2020s, by the way. And then he was watching our videos and bought this MAGNAFLOW 11229. There will be a link in the description for it. And then we left everything else factory. There's the Y pipe, there's the resonators there and there. And he came earlier in the month and we put on 5-inch tips on it. There and there, black tips, roll. There's the original muffler that was on it that we cut off right there. So that's what it looks like. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And make sure you guys subscribe. 2019 Dodge Ram 1500 5.7 liter Hem. What is it? Hem? Come on, man. Why is it so low? Anyway, factory converter there. I ain't as young as I used to be. Factory converter there. Resonator there. Then what we did is a FLOWMASTER Super 10 offset to make it fit on this beautiful truck. As you guys can see, part number, he's about to get it. Here we go, 842518. There will be a link in the description. Then it wires out the back. There's the box of it. Link in the description, 842518. Then it wires out the back in two resonators. One there. Factory tips out the back there and there. There's the stock muffler we cut off right there. Well, we'll let you guys hear it. Hope you like it. Comment if you do. Comment if you don't. All that good stuff. And make sure you guys subscribe. All right, guys, ready to hear it? Let's see. Oh, it's not bad. I like it. Here's sound decibels. Again, right at 99, so almost 100. Again, that sounds really nice. And we appreciate his service. He's in the Marine Corps, so we really appreciate his service for 10 years. What do you think? It's perfect, I think. It's not. And then when you pack it in about 30 days, it's a little bit louder. I like it. Ram Sport. Let you guys hear on the inside. Start this beast. And of course the phone rings. Every time, man. Hopefully he'll get it today. Not bad. It needs more. But drive it for a week, make sure it's not annoying anymore, you know? Here's sound decibels. Right at 99. Again? Yeah, it's cool. Let it break in and cycle, do its thing for a little while. It's got a total of 3 resonators on this one. One in the front and then 2 in the back. Not bad. You'll be back. You need it louder. Let you guys hear on the inside. 1500 5.7 liter HEMI with a MAGNAFLOW factory resonators, 5-inch tips. Ram 1500, just swapped out the muffler for FLOWMASTER Super 10, and he'll be back next week. We're gonna do a resonator and 5-inch tips instead of the resonators. This truck in 2019, guys, Ram comes with 3 resonators, one close to the Y pipe in the front and 2 in the back. So just keep that in mind. If you guys want more sound, take all the resonators off. He's just gonna do the rear ones for now. This is what it sounds like with just a muffler replacement of a FLOWMASTER Super 10. Not bad. HEMI, baby.